come around to say hello. One-on-one, I'm so fly. You took a nosedive. Careful when you play on my level. For you, it's so. Hey, hello.
Motorola Razr 50 Ultra. Flip the script.
Hello, Moto.
Karan Verma, have they lost the plot?
I don't know. He's losing his mind. I don't know about the plot. But Vivek
I
ji,
love China.
Vivek ji, no,
Say, I love Chinese, Indian friendship.
You love your country.
Say
I know that you love your
Say
country.
today.
You love China.
Say,
Very good.
I love Indian-Chinese friendship.
What happened to
because that is what S. Jaishankar is doing.
Now
Say it.
listen. Now
Say,
listen.
And Karan Verma,
Please.
I want to just give you a few facts. There is only trade cooperation that we are talking about. Electronics, pharma, earth-moving equipment, semiconductors,
TikTok is going to be
tunnel boring machines, solar equipment.
TikTok will be back.
China has 4.2.
TikTok will be back. Wow, congrats. TikTok will be
You
back.
cannot think beyond TikTok.
No,
And that's
you
your,
said
that's
you
your
said trade,
level.
so I
But
thought TikTok will be
bigger
back.
than India's GDP is the manufacturing sector of China. Okay? Do we need to grow economically, or should we believe in the recipe that the opposition is giving us?
So Navika ji, this is typical iron fist in a velvet glove. That is what our diplomacy is all about. We will oppose China at Quad, and we will at the same time attend SCO. We will buy oil from Russia. At the same time, we'll pick up weapons from US if need be. That is the tightrope our diplomacy is walking on. Let's not get into these monosyllables. If you are so ignorant about our foreign policy,
and you are talking
try
about
and
trade.
take a class first. Because what Jaishankar ji has pulled off here is a master
120 billion
we
trade
need
deficit.
a rare earth,
120 billion
rare earth magnets. We cannot have Chinese hegemony in the South China Sea.
अरे मैंने हाथ जोड़ लिए, आपके भी हाथ जोड़े, जयशंकर जी के भी हाथ जोड़ लिए।
आपको नहीं आती
मैं प्रणाम करता हूँ जयशंकर जी की
एंटनी ने खड़े होकर पार्लियामेंट में कहा था we will not build roads. That's our strategy. That will hurt China. Today we built infrastructure.
इनके हाथ जोड़ो भाई।
ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ने आज इनके हाथ जोड़ किया।
अश्विनी कुमार मिश्रा
आपने कहा था we will not build roads.
Aksai chain, and how many square kilometers is Aksai chain which was gifted to China?
38,000 square kilometers lost because of you.
आप बताएंगे what our relationship with China should be.
You have capitulated. You are changing the goalpost. First you said S. Jaishankar is there to do the trade talk.
Sovereignty
Now
of
when I
India
say
and
we are
the
in trade
interests
deficit
of
of
India.
120 billion, now you are asking about who gave this Siachen and all. First decide why S. Jaishankar is there. First say to the nation that why S. Jaishankar is there. If no, you are telling because he is there to do the trade.
Your logic is like a kindergarten
If he is
student.
not there to do the trade, if he is there to do the diplomacy, already failed with China. Our diplomacy has already failed with China, but the Chinese supported
Russia and United States of America engages in
we should
UNSC.
not be doing any business and diplomacy in China.
One minute. I just want to put this in perspective. There was an SCO meeting.
Absolutely.
That is a regional meeting that India and China happen to be part of. We don't misbehave in global meetings. We go there. If the foreign minister gets a chance to meet the president of China, why wouldn't he meet? Should we be like the opposition and its relationship with the ruling party in India's parliament? हम आपसे बात नहीं करेंगे, or should we behave like mature nations and deal with the geopolitical situation that exists in the world? And ladies and gentlemen, everybody knows that the world is dependent on China for supply chains. 1 minute.
Acknowledge it finally. Wow. हिंदी चीनी भाई भाई
आप वहां क्यों नहीं चले जाते?
मैं तो
आप जाइए ना।
अरे भाई सब लोग रोज
you
कहते
don't
थे
take a
भाई
minute. You don't take a minute to insult India, but you clap for China.
Yeah.
Ladies and
What
gentlemen,
shame?
I
Say
rest
shame
my
to
case
Jaishankar.
as far as the opposition is concerned. But the question still remains: why has the MOU between the Congress Party and China been undercover for 17 long years? They are questioning this government on the relationship with China. Well, what do you think about that hypocrisy?